Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the HDMI audio video capture card. So the brand is VMKLY, the seller is JSLUS. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I just like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what does it come with, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Instruction manual. As I mentioned, this is a HDMI audio video capture card. Video resolution, the output resolution is supposed to be 1080p at 60 frames per second. Feels nice. It's got a HDMI out, HDMI in, USB, and then a mic in, and a right left, I guess. Not sure what that one is. I've used these before. When I do them, basically you power it up and then connect it to your computer. It should be compatible with most of the gaming consoles that are on the market today, as well as with OBS Studio. Get a standard USB to USB cable, and then the capture card. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.